Once there was a peasant. Peasant means farmer, who had 7 sons and plenty of land. One morning, he finds that he had gone blind. He became very sad. He called many doctors also, but no doctor could cure his eyes. Then a fakir came there and said to the old man, "You can see again if anybody arranges ash of a particular fish. If somebody can rub the ash on your eyelids, your eyes will get cured and you will be able to see again." Now, children, the question was, who will go to kill the fish and bring the ash off his eyes? The 6 elder sons got very scared. So, they were clever also. They advised their father to send the youngest son for that. Do you think, children, youngest son would be ready to go or not? Actually, the youngest son was very kind and obedient also. He at once accepted the challenge. He started his journey to the remote ocean. He had to go through the forest and face many troubles before reaching there. At last, he reached the ocean. He found the fish also and tried to kill it. But the fish cried and requested him to spare it. It said, "I promise you that I'll help in curing your father's eyes, but please leave me." The man decided to give it a chance. He asked the fish to suggest a way to cure his father's eyes. Now the fish advised him to take some sand and touch it with the closed eyelids of fish first, and then touch the same sand to the closed eyelids of the blind man. In this way, she said that your father could definitely see again. The young man trusted the fish and releases it also. The fish was very happy and thankful to the man. It promises him to help him whenever needed. The man rushed towards his house. After reaching the house, he did the same that the fish said. As a result, the old man's eyes were cured. He could see again. But the problem was that all the elder sons got jealous of him. They thought that he would become the dearest son of their father, and father would give all his property to him. So they compelled their father to send the youngest son to bring the eyes of the fish. They said, "It's just a coincidence that your blindness is cured. It was an ordinary ash. So send him again to bring the eyes." Now, father had to send him again to the remote ocean. So, when the youngest son was compelled to leave home, he had nowhere to go. He just wandered in the forest. One day, he met a black buck, which was being chased by hunters. The buck asked the man to save its life. The kind man saved its life and continued his journey. After some time, he met a jackal also, and the young man saved jackal's life also. Both the buck and the jackal promised the man to help whenever needed. Later, the young man felt tired and hungry. He saw a palace which belonged to a princess who was famous for a magic mirror. She had declared that she would marry the man who could evade his reflection in the magic mirror, but he would be beheaded if traced in the mirror. The man entered the palace. He saw human skulls of those who had failed in this adventurous task, but he was not afraid. He went to the princess and accepted the challenge. First, the man went to the fish and asked for help. The fish hit him in its stomach and went into the deep sea. but he was discovered by the mirror. Good thing is that the princess gets impressed by him and gives him one more chance. In the second chance, the man went to Black Buck and asked for help. The buck took him to remote hills, but he was again discovered by the magic mirror. The man appeared interesting to the princess, and she decided to give him one last chance. This time, the man went to the jackal and told his problem to it. Jackal decided to dig a tunnel with the help of other jackals to the bedroom of the princess. The young man hid under the princess' bed, and this time, when the princess rotated her magic mirror, he was not located by the mirror. The princess accepted her defeat. She broke the mirror also, and to keep her promise, she agreed to marry the man. Both the man and the princess lived their life happily. In this way, we see how the young man's kindness was rewarded.